Welcome to my YouTube channel, Alshifa Medical Information. Today's video is specially for those sisters who want to keep their skin clear, bright, and youthful. If you have wrinkles, freckles, or pimples on your face, this video is going to be very important for you. Watch till the end, because we are going to show you tried and natural remedies, which are not only easy, but also very effective. Let's get started. Wrinkles are a sign of aging with time, but some women get them prematurely. Major causes include sun exposure, lack of water, lack of sleep, and poor nutrition. But don't worry, we're going to tell you 3 best home remedies to get rid of wrinkles. First, the aloe vera mask. Mix aloe vera gel with vitamin E capsule oil and apply it on the face. Wash off after 15 minutes. It moisturizes the skin and reduces wrinkles. Second, the honey and almond mask. Mix 2 ground almonds in a spoon of honey. Apply on face for 10 minutes and wash off. It hydrates the skin and makes the skin soft and supple. Third, coconut oil. Apply coconut oil on your face at night before going to bed. It keeps the skin youthful naturally. Now, let's move on to home remedies to get rid of freckles and pimples. Freckles and pimples on the face are often caused by hormonal problems, excessive sun exposure, and lack of proper skin care. Follow these tried and tested tips to get rid of them. First, lemon and honey. Add a few drops of lemon juice to a spoonful of honey. Apply on face for 10 minutes, then wash off. Lemon contains a natural bleaching agent which lightens freckles. Second, the besan and milk mask. Make a paste by mixing milk in a spoonful of besan. Apply on face and wash off when dry. It clears the skin and helps in removing acne. Third, multani mud and rose extract. Make a mask by mixing rose extract with multani mud. Wash off after 15 minutes. It cools the skin and removes acne. All these natural tips are not only easy, but also effective without any harmful effects on the skin. Which of these tips do you like the most? And which homemade mask do you use for your skin? Be sure to let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Alshifa Medical Information, for more useful videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.